In this tutorial, you will learn how to clone a voice in VideoTour.ai. This allows you to use your own voice or someone else's voice in your property videos. Step 1. Access the voice cloning page. Click on this option and you will be redirected to your branding page. Here, you can choose to clone your own voice or clone another person's voice. Step 2. Choose how to record. There are two ways to create a voice sample. Upload a recording of your voice or someone else's. Record directly from the app. To record directly, click Start Recording. You'll see a short text that you can read aloud, but you can also say anything else. What matters most is that the recording lasts at least 10 seconds. Step 3. Recording tips. For the best results, make sure your audio quality is clear. Less background noise means a more accurate and natural cloned voice. Step 4. Save and review your recording. When you finish, click Stop, then Use this recording. You can listen to it here to make sure it sounds good. If you're satisfied, give your voice a name and click Launch Cloning. Step 5. Wait for processing. The cloning process takes a few seconds. Once it's done, your custom voice will appear here. You can listen to a preview to check the result. Step 6. Use your custom voice. After the cloning is complete, your new voice will be available in your project. You can select it from the voice options and use it in your videos. That's how you clone your voice in VideoTour.ai. Whether you use your own or another recorded voice, you now have a personalized way to enhance your property presentations.